Abhay Deol, who's known for his offbeat film choices, has shared a post on his social media account remembering how he and Farhan were demoted from being leads of their film Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Now, we all remember the film was about three friends and how they all almost have the equal screen time. But still, that year during the award season, Hrithik was nominated as the lead actor and Farhan and Abhay Deol were nominated in the supporting actors category. He further mentions in the post that Farhan was okay with it, he wasn't, hence he banned the award ceremony, but he also spoke about how Bollywood lobbies against certain actors. In spite of being related to Dharmendra, Sunny and Bobby Deol, Abhay Deol has always his own path, whether it is his choice of films or being outspoken about what he perceives is the dark underbelly of Bollywood. After calling out Bollywood celebs for endorsing fairness products and then supporting the Black Lives Matter movement, Abhay has now taken on his colleagues in Bollywood again and criticized how award shows and lobbying in the industry works. In his latest social media post, Abhay shares how he and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara co-star Farhan Akhtar were demoted from lead actor to supporting actor status at all the award shows that happened that year, while Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif were the only actors nominated in the leading actor categories. In case you don't remember, हम आपको याद दिला दें that Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was an ensemble film about three friends who unite for a road trip in Spain and end up discovering themselves and overcoming their fears. In his post about the film and film industry, Abhay Deol writes, "So by the industry's own logic, this film was about a man and a woman falling in love, with the man supported by his friends for whatever decisions he takes." While Hrithik and Katrina's characters do fall in love in the film, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was a film about friendship, with Kalki and Katrina Kaif playing the significant others to two of the three male leads of the film. Abhay mentions in his post how he decided to skip the entire award season, but Farhan Akhtar, who also happened to be one of the producers, chose to attend. Abhay writes, "There are many covert and overt ways in which people in the industry lobby against you. In this case, it was shamelessly overt. I, of course, boycotted the awards, but Farhan was okay with it." Abhay's post is one of the many that have been critical of the film industry and penchant from its camps and cliques. Dabangg director Abhinav Kashyap, Vivek Oberoi, Ranveer Shori, Anubhav Sinha, Raveena Tandon and even Sonu Nigam, who spoke of the mafia in the music industry, have all spoken up after the shocking death of Sushant Singh Rajput, who people allege was deliberately sidelined and boycotted by leading production houses, sending him into a depression and ultimately causing him to take a drastic step.